It's Amy from my Publix Coupon Buddy here. You know how I tell y'all to print these coupons before they go NLA? Well, this coupon went no longer available prior to the sale starting. So I hope you guys printed this BOGO Breyers coupon. They're BOGO this week at $5.29, and there is a buy one get one free printable coupon. So you're going to buy two, use one of this BOGO coupon, and that's going to make them free if you are in a true BOGO state. If you are in a half BOGO state, you're going to buy two, use one of these printable coupons, and pay $1.32 a pint, which is still a phenomenal deal for $5 yummy looking ice cream. I think I'm going to snack some cookies and cream. So this is for the sale beginning 10/18 or 10/19 at Publix. Happy couponing.